The Blink Outdoor 4, 4th Gen, is a wire-free smart security camera designed for outdoor use, providing reliable home monitoring with HD live view, enhanced motion detection, and two-way audio. This 3-camera system is powered by AA batteries that offer up to 2 years of battery life, making it incredibly low maintenance. The cameras are weather-resistant, making them ideal for outdoor security in various climates. With Alexa integration, you can monitor and control the system hands-free. The system also supports customizable motion alerts, ensuring you're always aware of any activity. Its easy installation and wire-free design make it perfect for users looking for simple, smart home security. Users are impressed with the Blink Outdoor 4 for its easy, wire-free installation and 2-year battery life, eliminating the hassle of frequent charging or complicated setups. The HD Live View delivers clear, high-quality footage, and the enhanced motion detection ensures accurate alerts without too many false positives. Many users appreciate the two-way audio feature, allowing them to communicate with visitors or deter potential intruders. The Alexa integration adds another layer of convenience, as you can control and view your cameras via voice commands. The weather-resistant design is a hit among users who want year-round outdoor monitoring. While the Blink Outdoor 4 is well received, some users have noted a few areas for improvement. A common critique is the limited storage options, as local storage requires a separate Blink Sync module too, and cloud storage comes with a subscription fee. Some users mentioned that the motion detection sensitivity may require fine-tuning to avoid missing or unnecessary alerts. Additionally, a few users pointed out that the camera's night vision, while functional, could be clear compared to higher-end models, particularly in very dark environments. The Blink Outdoor 4, 4th Gen, is a reliable, wire-free smart security camera system ideal for outdoor home monitoring. With long battery life, two-way audio, and seamless Alexa integration, it offers both security and convenience. While the storage options may be limited without a subscription, and the night vision could be stronger, its overall ease of use, motion detection, and weather-resistant design make it a great option for users seeking an affordable and low-maintenance security solution.